What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be showing you the latest and greatest NBA 2K26 VC glitch that's going to supply you with 450,000 VC. And yeah, this costs around $100 if you was to try and purchase this amount. This works on all platforms. You can get a working locker code, guys, that is going to supply your 2K26 account 450,000 VC, and the entire process literally takes just a few minutes of your time. So make sure you follow all of the steps and instructions in this video. Make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. But anyway, let's get into this tutorial and show you how to do this 2K26 VC glitch and get your 450,000 VC. So as you can see, I'm using my mobile phone for this. I do recommend you grab yours, open up the internet browser, and what you're going to want to do is just head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So just type it exactly like this into your mobile internet. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this game code website. Now, this 2K26 VC glitch actually uses a glitched locker code. So this is a 2K26 locker code that you can enter in game, and it is going to supply your account 450,000 VC. So as you can see here, I've just typed in NBA 2K26 into the search bar, and that is how you're going to navigate your way to this codes page. Now, there are a few different codes. You need to look for this code, guys. This is a locker code for 450,000 VC in NBA 2K26. The reason I call this a glitch is because these are limited secret codes and they're not supposed to supply this much VC. But I redeemed my locker code and it did actually give me 450,000. So yeah, this is definitely the best method working right now, and it works after patch because it is just a locker code. Now, because these are limited with 880 codes remaining, you do need to unlock your personal code, guys. This basically prevents people creating bots and stuff to take all of the codes. You can only do this once. So I've already done it, but what you need to do is click on this button and follow the instructions. So basically it says complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Crash Coupons, and you need to make sure you follow the instructions below each app. So you need to complete 2 tasks on this screen, guys. They take a few minutes, they're completely free, and there is a set of instructions. So all you need to do is read the instructions, guys. That tells you what you need to do. And once you complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. I did this earlier, so I can only skip forward. Like I said, it is 1 code per person, but your 2K26 VC glitched code will be revealed here. You can redeem it in game, and that is going to get you 450,000 VC in 2K26. This is the best working method, working VC glitch method in 2K26. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons, find this page, guys. Any questions, let me know. Make sure you do like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.